Hi, welcome to Weather You Heard. I'm Owen Forsyth, your Monmouth University weather dude. It's April, so the weather is getting warmer, but we are getting a lot of rain. Let's take a look at this week's forecast. As we look towards Wednesday, we'll be seeing a high of 45 and a low of 37. It's a little bit cooler than it is averagely this time of year, but we saw back in 2005 a high of 78, but luckily it won't be like 2002 where it was a low of 26 degrees. As we look towards our county maps, we can see up north of us they are finding the lows. Morris County will be only 41 degrees, and south and west of us Atlantic City will be 46, or Atlantic County will be 46, Camden County will be 47, and Monmouth County, home of Monmouth University, will be 44 degrees. As we move on to Thursday, we're going to be seeing a high of 47, a low of 41, still a little bit cooler than averagely, but back in 1999, when you were probably about 6 years old, it was 78 degrees on this day and a low of 28. Probably about 5 years back in 2007. As we look towards our county maps, we can see south of us down in Camden, they're seeing the high of 50, and north of us in Morris, they're getting a low of 42. And here at Monmouth County, it will be 44 degrees. That will be our average. As we look on to Friday, we'll be seeing a high of 68, which will be a lot warmer, a low of 49. This is about 12 degrees or 13 degrees higher than it is averagely. And back in 2013, it was a high of 84 on this day. Thankfully, it won't be getting that hot, and it will not be as cold as it was in 2007 when it was only 28. As we look to the county map, Camden is our state high, getting 79 in Camden County. Up north, they're being a little bit cooler than us, 71 in Morris, Bergen, and Sussex. And here at Monmouth County, we are a cool 72 right here on the shore. As we move on to the forecast by the number, we're going to rate Wednesday a 4 due to the fact we have a 50% chance of rain. It will be windy. Thursday and Friday, they're tying with a 5. We still have a 40% chance of rain in the morning for Thursday, and on Friday, a 50% chance of rain in the AM, but we will see 68 degrees on that day. As we move on to the shores, we're going to be seeing a UV index of 4, so be sure to wear some sunscreen if you're hitting the waves. Wind speeds will be between 10 and 20 miles per hour. That will bring us some waves of between 0 and 6 feet, and the ocean will be about 40 degrees, so still going to need that wetsuit. As we move on to our nights and days, we are going to be seeing the sunrise at 6:30 on Wednesday, setting around 7:27, bringing in the waning gibbous. On Thursday, rising at 6:28 a.m., setting around 7:29, still in the waning gibbous. And on Friday, sunrise around 6:27, setting around 7:30. And looking forward to the weekend, we can see on Saturday and Sunday will be 62 and 58. Mostly sunny, and Monday starting us off right with a high of 61. It will be mostly sunny. That's all for this week's forecast. I'm Owen Forsyth for Weather You Heard and Hawk TV.